So now we've seen the idea of markup. And I'd like you to understand that when we talk about markup, we're not just talking about HTML, but markup languages. And markup is everywhere. In the digital world, it's in even surprising places. For example, I've made a new Word document. Let's open it up. It's empty. I'll call it Tony's document and then say, hello world. I'll make Tony's document the title. I'll make hello bold. There's my Word document. Now here's something you may not know. I can take this file, the docx, and I can change it to a .zip that is a compressed folder of many files. That's actually what a docx file is. A Word document is actually a compressed folder of many files. Now, I can extract all of those, get all those files out into a folder. Now I'll open it, right-click, Open with Code. And here's my Word document. It has different folders, and one of the .xml files, or extensible markup language files, is document.xml. And when I go through here, you start to see tags. In fact, there's Tony's document marked up as a title. I can go down and find hello, and there's a tag that tells it to be bold. And I can find space world and a tag that says to make sure to keep that space and display it to the user. So when Microsoft Word reads this markup language, let's change this back to a .docx, it interprets it like a user agent and displays it to me. Now, you don't need to learn Word ML, Word Markup Language. That's not the point. The point is that markup language is a proven technology, a proven approach to marking up documents. So now we're going to focus not on just any markup language, but on hypertext markup language.